If you want to slow down a text animation in CapCut, this tutorial is going to show you the exact steps in a quick and easy way. Whether you're editing a short-form video, a YouTube intro, or any project that uses animated text, slowing the animation down can make it look smoother, cleaner, and much more professional. And if this helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more CapCut tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get right into it. First, open your project in CapCut and go to the timeline. Find the text layer that you want to edit. This is very important because you need to select the actual text clip directly on the timeline before you can change its animation settings. Click on that text layer once so it becomes highlighted. Once the text is selected, look at the settings panel in the top right area of the screen. Here, you'll see different editing options for the text. Find and click the animation tab. Inside the animation menu, you'll usually see categories like in, out, and loop. These control how the text enters the screen, exits the screen, or keeps moving while it stays on the screen. Now choose the animation category that matches the effect you're using. If you want the text to appear more slowly at the start, choose in. If you want the text to leave the screen more slowly, choose out. And if you're using a repeating motion effect, choose loop. Once you click the correct category, CapCut will show the available animation styles for that type. After that, look all the way down at the bottom of the animation panel. You should see a duration slider. This is the setting that controls how fast or slow your short text animation plays. To slow down the text animation, drag the slider to the right. The further right you move it, the longer the animation will take to complete. For example, you might increase it from 0.5 seconds to 2.0 seconds or even more, depending on the style you want. As you adjust the duration, keep an eye on how the animation will feel in your video. A longer duration usually gives the text a smoother, more cinematic look, while a shorter duration makes it feel snappy and fast. So if your goal is to make the text more readable or stylish, increasing the duration is usually the best move. Now here's an important tip, especially for in and out animations. Sometimes, if your text block is too short on the timeline, the animation won't have enough room to fully play out. In that case, you may need to lengthen the text clip itself. You can do that by dragging the edge of the text layer on the timeline so it lasts longer. This gives the animation more space to finish properly without cutting off too early or meeting in the middle. Once you've increased the duration and adjusted the text clip if needed, play back the video and check the result. If it still feels too fast, go back and slide the duration a little farther to the right. If it feels too slow, just bring it back slightly until it looks right. The goal is to match the animation speed with the overall style of your video, and that's really all there is to it. To slow down text animation in CapCut, select the text layer, open the animation tab, choose your animation category, and drag the duration slider to the right. If needed, extend the text block on the timeline so the animation has enough time to play smoothly. This simple adjustment can make a huge difference in how polished your edit looks. If this tutorial helped you out, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut editing tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.